Imagine a crisp autumn morning where the sun gently rises, casting golden light over the ancient forests. In the heart of Moldova, the Bison land, time seems to slow down. Majestic creatures, silent rulers of these hills, move through the mist, their steps echoing through centuries of history. Among these timeless trees, tradition runs deep. In the villages nearby, the scent of homemade bread fills the air, and ancient recipes simmer in clay pots, passed down through generations. The people here carry the soul of the land in their crafts, their stories, their food. This is not just a place, it's a sanctuary of nature, tradition, and life itself.
中国广西北海市涠洲岛火山国家地质公园位于北部湾海域中部，总面积约25平方公里。这里保存着最丰富完整的火山地质遗迹，是中国地质年龄最年轻的火山岛。这里历史底蕴深厚，有2处中法合璧建筑风格的教堂获评国家文物保护单位，是南洲文化发源地之一。 有海上丝绸之路的文化遗迹，这里生物丰富多样，附近海域可识别布氏鲸60余头，珊瑚礁面积占中国的10%，途径迁徙候鸟179种。涠洲岛拥有世界级的滨海旅游资源，践行可持续旅游发展理念，欢迎您踏浪上涠洲岛。